joining me today. It's Deb here with Creative Life. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, and I appreciate all the love and support that you show me in your comments. I really appreciate all of them so much. So today I wanted to share with you another InLoveArt project, okay? And I'm going to be using the Merry Christmas 46 sticker pack from the shop, and this little guy is so nifty to have, you guys. You can make so many cards with this, and not only just winter cards but also Merry Christmas cards. Plus you could peel off the backing, off of the stickers and stick them on envelopes. So when you're mailing your Christmas cards, you can definitely go ahead and stick this little sticker on the back of the envelope that says Merry Christmas. And yeah, so they just come off just like this, right? And there's your sticker. So that is so awesome. I can't wait to use this for next year, you guys. I'm really excited. So so today I made a little card using these stickers, and it turned out so pretty, you all. I did use the Stamperia Blue Land collection again. I can't help it. This paper is just so beautiful. I couldn't help use it again. So and then of course this little guy is a sticker from the collection, from the little sticker collection, and he is a little deer just walking through the winter land. And then here I have a little horse running through the little midnight sky there with the little snow tree in the background. So pretty. And then we have snowflakes in this one, and then down here you have some Christmas balls. But I just thought that this looked so pretty against this paper and then with the other two stickers that I just had to use it. So pretty, right? And then the paper that I used on behind the Stamperia paper is the Recollections silver glitter paper. Okay. So, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, you guys. This card was so super easy to make, and I do have a short tutorial for you right after this, but I just want to remind you real quick, don't forget about the discount that I have listed below in the description box, okay? The code is G as in George 30998. So if you would like to use that code, you are more than welcome to head over to the shop, and I have all the links down below for the stickers that I used, and you can definitely head over there and purchase anything with that code. So thank you so much, and let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Hey everybody! We're going to go ahead and get started with our card now, okay? And what we're going to be using is this little Merry Christmas box, okay? And it has 46 stickers in here, and you can get this over at InLoveArt shop. And I'm going to have the link right down below in the description box for you, okay? So it comes with 46 stickers inside, okay, and these are great for making cards. So I'm going to show you how to make a cute little card using this little box. So the first thing you're going to need is an 8.5 by 11 inch paper, okay, and you're going to go ahead and cut it at 5.5. Okay, you're going to put it in your cutter and you're going to cut it at 5.5 this way. This will allow you to make two cards at the same time. So next what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to grab your cardstock, okay. So one of the pieces that you've cut, okay, which I've already folded here, okay, you're going to go ahead and you're going to score that at 4 1/4. Just like that, okay. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold that in half, okay, and you're going to go ahead and burnish that down. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bring this front part, okay, and you are actually going to fold it backwards onto itself, and you're going to fold it to the edge of your score line here, or the folded part of your card. So you're just going to fold that over right onto the edge of that, you're going to grab your bone folder and you're going to go ahead and score that down or burnish that down. Okay, just like that. And now you have your cute little card started. So next we're going to go ahead and we're going to use our paper. Okay, so next you have two cards that are ready to be made, right? So you're going to go ahead and grab your little 46-inch, or you're going to grab your 46-piece Merry Christmas little stickers, okay? And you're going to pick some winter ones or Christmas ones, whatever ones you would like. Okay, and here I've already gathered a couple, and this is going to be for the front of my card. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut circles out of this Recollections glitter paper that I have, and I'm also going to cut down some papers out of the Blue Land Stamperia paper for my card. Okay, so I cut out all of the pieces for my card, and then I'm gonna lay all of these down and everything. But I wanted to share with you real quick how easy these are to place on your card. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to come in just a bit. Okay, so these are the little squares, all right? And I'm going to peel off the back. Like I said, these are stickers, so they do come off, all right? And then you could just lay them right on your cardstock. Okay, and I'm just going to lay it just down here like that. Try to get that straight. Okay. And I am sorry about my voice, you guys. My throat. I've had a cold, and so I'm just trying to get over it, and it's like, you know, stuck in my throat still. So apologize if I, am clearing my voice a lot. I apologize. So so here, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut around this because this is going to be a little tag for the card. Okay, and I'm just going to cut right around this, just like that. Okay, and there you go. And then of course you can I'm going to go ahead and make that a little straighter. Let's see, it's a little crooked. I think that's a little straighter. So okay, so just like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my hole punch, and I'm going to put a hole in there and then put this beautiful white twine with the silver flakes that run through it. I'm going to put that through there. Okay, so of course that's going to go on the front of the card. So I went ahead and cut out some circles from the silver glitter paper, and now I'm just adhering down the stickers on top of them. And so this is what I started off doing first, so that way that my embellishments would be done. After I cut my cardstock in pattern paper, I went ahead and adhered them together, and then I decided to go ahead and place some white ribbon on the larger panel. So here you see me wrapping the white ribbon around the larger panel, and I'm adhering this down with some Tombow tape. After I adhere the ribbon, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adhere my panels down to my card. And then here what I did is I took a small piece of ribbon and put it underneath the other ribbon and added the little tag right on top of there and tied a knot. So the last thing I did is I just went ahead and I adhered down the little circles on top of that half fold in the front of the card. Okay, y'all, so there is our card. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love the little side here, how it folds out. And then on the inside, you can go ahead and, of course, you could put something here if you wanted. and you can definitely write your sentiment in here, and so pretty. And then here is just a little tag you can put for you, or thinking of you, or you could just write winter, whatever, you know. I just think this is so pretty. So again, this is just a little winter card that you could make, and I just think it's so pretty. And so thank you all so much for joining me today. I will have the link to these super cute Merry Christmas 46 stickers in this little box. Can you believe that? So yeah, you want to go check these out. So these are so cute, and you can stick them on your envelopes, or, you know, whatever you would like. But I think they work well for cards as well too. So thanks for joining me. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.